How to download CapCut in laptop. Alright guys, so your first step would be to either use your browser, and there are two ways to go about this. Just simply search for CapCut PC and just click on this. And then where we have CapCut.com, the ultimate AI and video editor, just click on that option. It's going to open up in a new tab. Once it does, just go ahead and click on download for free here. You're going to see it at the bottom here, and it's going to begin downloading the installer. And now once the installer is done downloading, just simply open up the CapCut installer.exe file and simply proceed with the installation. Now the second method and another easier option of doing this would be to just open up the Microsoft Store. Once you've opened up your Microsoft Store on your Windows computer, head over to search apps and games and just simply type in CapCut. And then just go ahead and click on the app here and just go ahead and click on update or install. The update is for when you have the app, the install is to, install the application. All right, guys.